Hey all, good afternoon to one and all. I'm doing good. How you guys are doing? Please let me know in the comment section. You might be thinking why she's telling good afternoon, right? Because I started my vlog today around 12:30. So, of course, it's a noon. So, I just wished you a good afternoon. Guys, near my house, we saw Indian cobra, and our neighbors just took that in a Sprite bottle. Then think about the size of that Indian cobra snake, and it's very dangerous, and we need to be very careful. And they just decided to leave somewhere far. For this bottle cap, they've just kept two holes for breathing, and it was really beautiful to see the snake when it is inside the bottle. So here I started preparing for the lunch. Today's special is chicken curry and rice. Obviously we love to have non-veg because we are non-vegetarians. And still in my mind that Indian cobra I'm just feeling because I've seen it when it is alive, because most of the times whenever I see snakes it's almost dead only. So today I saw the alive one, and it's kind of surprise and good experience only. But be careful guys, whenever you see snakes, try to be far and don't harm them. And here it is chicken curry, it's getting ready. As I want my kitchen countertop to be decluttered. I don't want to have a messy countertop whenever I prepare the breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So you have seen now, guys, how my kitchen countertop was. Once I'm done with chopping the vegetables, not the use of the vessel which I've used for cooking purpose, I immediately just remove from the countertop. By clearing your kitchen countertop immediately, that will really saves your time, and definitely you feel peace of mind in your kitchen while cooking. I'm just pouring the tomato puree. So usually nowadays I started using tomato puree for the non-veg recipes, so that it really gives a great flavor. And whenever we bring chicken or a meat, we feel like trying something new recipes, guys. So you guys also give a try. Let us learn something new than the routine. Wow, the color, the texture, it's awesome, guys. And now it's time to add the fried chicken. Wow, I really feel the great aroma from this chicken recipe. We have a plan of going for aquarium shop, guys. And here, once we done with our lunch, we're going. Wow, we reached aquarium shop, guys. Can you see the colorful fishes? Wow, it's good to see, guys, but very tough to maintain. They are very cute to see them, guys. Maintaining it's bit tough. Who are really maintaining it, only they'll know the experience of that. And of course, I love to watch it. When I was young, when we had an aquarium at home and we used to maintain lot many fishes, most of the times I used to buy golden fishes. Those are very sensitive. Without oxygen we can't maintain them, so we have struggled a lot. Even water changes also, there is a chance of dying, and very tough to maintain the golden fishes, guys. Later on we just started purchasing flower fishes, so yeah, they are a bit okay to maintain. Flower fish also called vastu fish, guys, bit expensive, but it's okay, we can maintain them. I saw so many different fishes over here, guys, and it's good to see them. It's in green. Wow. Can you see them? Very cute, no, guys? We just came back from the aquarium shop, guys. Here, few color papers you guys are watching, right? Yes. Here, my son asked me to make a paper rocket for him. because he loved the toys which will fly. I don't know why. Because there is some magic they will feel, I think so. And here, before that, please make a paper boat, he said. So yeah, first I'm gonna do paper boat, then I'm gonna do rocket. So are you guys ready to watch? You guys also give a try with me, guys. You'll definitely enjoy. Guys, this is normal A4 size paper, which you'll get it in a white Xerox. You'll do it, no? So same sheet only. I bought it with the colors, and that will be more attractive for the kids. Whatever we crafts we do in it. My suggestion is doing the paper crafts in a white sheet. Do it in a color sheets, guys. It will be more beautiful to see. That's it. Boat is ready, guys. He was so happy to see the paper boat. When I was a kid, I used to try lot many paper crafts because I'm damn interested towards it. Now next I started preparing the paper rocket. This paper rocket I just learned for my son. Beginning days I used to struggle a lot to do this, but now it is very easy, guys. With this paper rockets we'll really have a great fun, guys. You guys also try this paper rocket and have fun. That's it, guys. The edge should be very sharp so that it will fly awesomely. So my son really loved it, and here I'm done with my paper crafts. I hope you guys had a lot of fun with this vlog. Thanks for being with me again. Stay strong, stay safe, stay home. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.